forward a bit. That's it. And another one. Ping!
That's it?
Yeah, we ruined it. All the time was gone.
No, because you cannot stop.
Alright, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning beautiful people. For today's video ay gagala muna tayo papunta sa lake. Ang sabi kasi ni husband ay pupunta kami doon, magpapakain daw kami ng mga duck, kaya isasama ko kayo mga jay. Anito nga yung dinaanan namin mga jay, no? Medyo maulan siya kaninang umaga pero saglit lang naman. Pero masanay na lang talaga tayo sa weather dito sa UK mga Dino, kay kasi ganyan talaga yun, mag-ilis-ilis tayo na bigla-biglaan na lang talaga na init niya, duga-duga mo ulan niya. Normal days na daw sa kanila yun mga Day, na magka 4 seasons sa isang araw, na kunyari kayong init tapos mamaya umulan, tapos mamaya mag-i-snow o ganun na mga Day, kaya hayaan nyo na yan. Pero sa totoo lang mga Day, no, malapit na ako dito mag-isang buwan pero hindi pa talaga ako naka-adjust sa weather mga Day. Magkurog-kurog pa rin talaga ako kahit na mukha na akong teddy bear sa sinuot ko, sa kapal na naman ba ng layer-layer na dinodoble ko mga jay. So anyway mga jay, no, gipakaon na niya ang mga geese and ducks din sa pond. And then ganing duha ka geese kay dili niya tagaan kay pagkakunong sa baa, chari.
Now you break it up into small biteable pieces. Right. Don't feed them over here and in the water. Because if they don't take the root.
Da, tuara, maminaw lagi sa instruction nga gihatag sa imuha kay dili ka maging singisi at tuwangan sa kamera. Tingnan mo tuloy, nakapagalitan ka. Itong dalawang to sa likod ko, parang matluluto ko na talaga itong mga jay kasi sobra ring ingay, nakikipagsabayan din sa aming pag-uusap. Meri, at nabuyagan na naman tayo mga Dino kasi hindi naman talaga tayo nakikinig sa pinagsasabi ng ating partner. Oy, sinabihan na nga tayo nga pwede lang umupo pero wag ibaba yung paa. Ayun, binaraba ako talaga papunta doon sa pan, kaya hindi talaga yung safe at hindi din yun maganda mga jay, kaya tinanggal ko na lang at ito na lang, kinausap ko na lang yung dalawang geese at binigyan ko na lang ng pagkain kahit bawal, char. Humapit talaga kami sa supermarket para bilhin namin yung bread na pinapakain namin sa mga ducks mga jay, kasi yung raisin sana yung dadalhin namin pero naiwan namin sa bahay kaya wala, no choice. Pumunta kami ng Tesco para makabili ng bread. Pero worth it naman mga jay, kaya nakapaglibot-libot pa naman ako dun sa Tesco at nakakuha kami ng mga pagkain na gusto din namin kainin maliban dito sa bread. At ayun mga jay, no, hindi talaga nakatiis si Habi. Hinabog niya talaga yung mga geese at papuntahin niya daw doon sa pond para mag-swimming na at nang makakain na din sila. Ayaw kasi ni Habi na binibigyan ko sa dito sa my land kasi nga daw baka ma-choke sila, hindi safe sa kanila yung bread. Kahit na malambot pero hindi enough sa kanila yun, kailangan talaga na mabasa ng water bago nila kainin para magiging soft at easy to chew, or ewan ko kung paano nila yung kinakain. Wala naman silang ngipin, charis. Tingnan nyo yung dalawang to mga jay, lumalakad talaga papunta dito pabalik kahit na inabog kanina. At ayun mga jay, no, nag-start na si Mr. na magkwento dito na dito daw siya lumaki mga jay, and dito daw siya nagpapakain ng mga geese and mga ducks before kasama yung mga friends niya. And dito sila nagkaka-childhood memories, charis. Habang seryoso na nagpag-usap sa akin si Mr. mga jay, ay hindi talaga mapigilan na may mga chismoso tayo ditong mga katabi ng mga geese mga jay, no? At tingnan nyo nga, hindi pa talaga umalis. At dahil matigas talaga yung mga ulo ng mga geese na to mga jay, no, ay ginugod ko na lang talaga sila papunta doon sa may pond mga jay, kaya para mag-start na sila sa kumain dito. Patingin-tingin lang to si Habi, no? Pero feeling ko talaga nakukulbaan na to siya na baka mag-transform ako at maging kiss. Magkakulay pa naman kaming tatlo. Charis! Mga walang hiya, ayaw talaga akong tantanan kaya binigyan ko na lang sila ng pagkain dito. Bahala na kayo na matyong kayo dyan. Basta sabi ko sa kanila, kaya nyo na yan, malalaki na naman kayo. Charis! At agoy, pastila na sumbagan do tayo noon sa ating pagkakulit na hindi tayo nagpapaalam at bigla-biglaan tayong nagkikis. Kaya ngayon, nakala man siguro ni Habi na itinula ko siya sa fish pond at magsiswimming din siya kasama ng mga duck. Agay, kung makatuklod ni Sabi ba, feeling na ko dili ko niya love. Char.
Yeah. Give me this. Honey.
Pasimplihan natin yung ating the moves mga day. Kunyari Maya Clara tayo mga day, pero pinibigyan lang natin ng tinapay yung mga gis na yan para papunta natin sa sasakyan at madala natin pag uwi sa bahay para makapag-save tayo ng ulam. Uy, tuara, agoy, nasakpan. Ay, pastilan. Hindi pala lahat ang nakaputi ay maputi yung balak. Minsan din pala maitim yung binabalak, charis. Pero sa totoo lang mga day, no, I appreciate talaga na lumabas kami dito kahit na masama yung pakiramdam ni Habi dahil daw na-bored ako.
There's no mill. So
Yeah.
what they do is the water comes down here
Okay.
underneath, and inside here is a big wheel,
Watch out.
a water wheel. What?
Water.
Water wheel. Right. And what they use is the movement of the water to grind two stones together to crush the wheat into flour. Yeah?
Yeah.
A very, very old flour mill.
Wala talagang kakwenta-kwentang kausap. Yeah and no lang talaga yung ma-answer natin dito. Naku naman pag English talaga.
Ang magilak kay Mershag ka ng basa. Basa din siya. So, pero okay lang. Hindi man siya kayo matapik. Para sa atuang ang matapik din siya. Pilipinas o yuta. Adili-dili.
And it all comes out here. And because of all the oxygenation that the water causes,
Yeah.
there's lots of good fish in here because there's water very oxygenated. And then the river flows up that way.
And you eat the fish.
And this is what we call a ford. So you drive the car up through there. So you see where you see the shingle there?
You can drive the car?
You see it. You see the yellowish there?
Yeah.
Right, so that's that concrete base that's flat that goes shallow over the water.
Cool.
Yeah? Come over here and look at
Saka let's see where the car goes. Bisaya mo
Let's
na.
go.
See guys, that's it. It's open and you can pass through there. But you can,
Pwede daw niyo mo madala yung mga car. Dara. Sama na, uy, magbisaya ta. Magbisaya lang. Good that dili ta mag-English. Chara. That's the house. Guys, this is my first time going here. So, that's why gidala ta mo din hi para makita sa dinyo bonsai na atin hi.
Come through here.
It's closed?
It's locked. You used to be able to come through
It's
here.
locked, guys, so we have to go to the other way. And it's a
It
little
used to be a
bit...
walk through.
Huh?
You used to be able to walk through here.
Maybe it's not safe anymore because it's open in that side anyway.
Yeah, probably.
It's not safe. Maybe kids will just jump into the water. So, adlay sa boots ta guys. Pero kinahanglan na to para maka-save tang. Kung mag-ulan di ta, mag-ilis-ilis. No fishing from this bank. Okay, if we're not fishing, we don't have fishing kit anyway. But look, I love it. So, I'm telling them, this is where we go.
Right?
Yeah, I'm showing them the lake where the ducks are, and then where we're walking back to. Isn't it nice? I thought it's a snake. It's not. No people in here.
Well, probably.
Why? Look at them. Ooh. No, what amazed me is the view though. Look. And we're walking towards the fish. Okay, let's go. I'll show you later, guys. I'll be back later and film it. Bye.
In front of me.
Bye. Come on, honey. Oh, there's a car.
Right-hand side, babe.
What?
On the right-hand side.
Right hand
Yeah,
side.
now watch this car.
Ta-da.
See?
Yeah.
Like the car's Ford, yeah? But a Ford means a river crossing.
See that?
Feet and meters,
Yeah.
so it's almost foot deep. We used to play in here as kids.
Just lying there. The water would not bring you down.
No, because it's shallow where the cars go. Because back when we were kids, the whole Generation X, honey, we didn't have fences. It's very simple. If you're in the wet bit, you're fucked up.
Yeah, but we have the same as like this way, like you can cross into the. I don't know if I've shown you, but sometimes you cannot really cross because the current of the water we're gonna.
Yeah, but
And it's very.
we just.
slippery.
But if that happened, you just swam for the bank, and if you didn't, well, you're an idiot.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, that's the thing is we grew up
That's
being
the.
afraid of things like this. Because
That's the
this is what
problem. I don't know how to swim. That's the problem. I don't know how to swim.
We see now you know why it was important in this country for everyone to learn how to swim. Because this was our playground. None of this soft tarmac, soft play crap you get nowadays.
Let's go, guys.
Health and safety warnings everywhere.
Then
You
it's
come home with cut knees and bruises. And
blame it to Nana. They don't want us to go to the river. That's why I don't know how to swim.
see, and then they built this bridge.
Answer cool.
This is where we used to play as kids. We didn't have a nice warm sea. This water's freezing.
Ew, that smells so bad. And let's take a
There's a
view.
bigger duck pond up at Petersfield. Where people go.
If that's your house, that's
Huh?
a big house.
It's only about 15 minutes up the road if you want to go to that one.
We'll wait another car.
Someone.
And syempre, habang nag-moment si Happy sa iyahang mga previous childhood memories din hingdapita, we will all disturb him pud nga magtap-tap ta din sa tong lubot kay murag feeling nako uhugaw jud siya din ganiha kay di ba naglingkod ko dito kaganiha while feeding the ducks o mao na din ha jay kay tanga-tangaon lagi ta, so mao na nakuha na to. We're waiting for the car to pass here mga pangga no kay para makita na to kung unsa jud kalawom na din ha ilahang ginakrosan kay murag feeling nako parehas siya kalawom didto sa amo ginadtuan sa sagay. And by the way, mga Jai, to tell you honestly, I feel very cold in this side here. Even though the sun is out and shining bright, shine like a diamonds, but still it's so cold, like freezing cold, and you can feel that the water, feeling nimo kang tubig kay mura na siya sa kana ganing gikan siya ice water, no, half ice then naging ice water. Mao na siya ka cold ang tubig din hiya mga Jai. Ano, labot ana din ha, away labot nga tugnaw kayo ang tubig mga Jai. Even ang air, ang imuhang pagwas mo sa balay mga Jai, kailangan jud mo magdubli-dubli jud ka coat, kailangan mo talagang kapalan yung coat na ginagamit mo mga Jai. At hindi lang talaga na makapal na i-double-double mo yung coat mo nga nandyan sa Pilipinas kasi hindi talaga yung tatalab mga Jai. Kailangan mo talaga yung may parang heated pad nga ganyan sa sinuot ko mga Jai, o kung taga Pinas ka at hindi ka sanay sa malalamig mga Jai, ay nako,
mag-ready ka na lang talaga bago ka pumunta sa ibang lugar. But carry naman mga Jai, kailangan mo lang talaga na pag-isipan yung gagamitin at isusuot mo mga Jai. Pero I'm thankful na I'm here kahit na minsan di natin maiwasan na malungkot tayo kasi malayo tayo sa ating pamilya. Pero gagawa tayo ng bagong pamilya dito, kaya go, go, go! Pwede naman mag-video call kapag na-miss mo sila o kaya mag-text. Kaya na rin yan para sa better future. Charis! Daghan na kay nakwento si Habi sa ako ang mga Jai, no? Pero ang nisulod lang yun sa akong huna-huna mga Jai is kung unsa katugnaw diri ang lugar o unsa kanindot ang lugar nila o unsa kanindot ang balay dihan dapita. Well, yes, I still recall that Habi told me about his childhood memories here with his friends, with his mates, that they are playing here, they go swimming even if it's cold water, they jump in there and the cliff, and then they get fish from here, and they also try to cross on that side here, there. And I can tell that based on Habi's emotion and his reaction and the way he's looking at the place, it really reminds him a lot, and it really makes him feel like he's back into childhood memories. And I appreciate it, and I love it that he's sharing me about it, and that makes me more special. Although I may look like a loka-loka here when coming back and forth, talking back and forth, and but I am listening to him, and I really appreciate him telling me about his childhood memories. And look at that, guys! This is where we filmed the car coming in.
What you should do is set it up so it's low, so when the car comes through.
No, we don't want that.
No, where it is right now.
At nandito na naman tayo dahil sa ating pagkalukalukahan, and susubukan talaga natin yung pagka-adventurers natin mga dino, kahit na alam natin na minsan may slide talaga tayo at hindi tayo nakikinig sa mga pinagsasabi ng iwan ko na lang talaga sa iyo dahil kung ano mangyari sa iyo mamaya doon, hindi ka talaga nakikinig sa hobby mo.
And I will laugh. I will laugh.
Inulit pa talaga ni Habi na tatawanan talaga niya ako kapag na-slide daw ako dito kasi hindi ako nakinig sa kanya. Pero matigas talaga yung ulo natin mga Jai, at sinusubukan talaga natin yung pasensya natin dito mga Jai, at sana wag naman tayong ma-slide, my goodness.
Baby, I'm being serious, you're going to slip.
Why?
You will slip.
Why?
Why? Because of all the algae that's on the thing. You will slip. What? Just trust me. I grew up here. You will slip.
See it? Oh no, you don't see that?
Wait,
You should have seen it.
Huh?
That was supposed to be. Hi. Okay, I'll wait another one. Cool. Getting back. Let's go. Guys, time to go home. See, been having a nice, fun day today, and I'm happy. Let's go. You already have seen this part, so bye. See you next time. Mwah.